As I said, my mama-in-law is very nice. She brings me Coca-Cola today, especially. Check this out, how I'm sweating so much. How are you, Mama? Apa kabar? All good?
Good.
Hello, how are you doing today? I'm Damian and Winnie from The Monkeys. Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim. And today is a little bit family day. I could say we are in Tabanan, in the beautiful scenery today.
Hi everyone, welcome to my kampung, my hometown. So here we are now in Tabanan.
This is also our uncle, Winnie uncle, but my uncle also. Hello.
So here's my dad behind me. He's stressed on the camera. He's just quiet. So now we are in my dad's land. Basically, my dad has a waterfall in his land. So the purpose why we are coming here just to show you the beautiful waterfall in my dad's land. Come on. So this is the waterfall in my dad's land. So that's my dad over there. The area of my dad's land is about 1 hectare land, and until from the top until there. And look at this beautiful waterfall and the sound of the nature. One of my dreams, I just want to have a, like the place where people can come and also enjoy the beautiful waterfall like this. And while they're enjoying, they can, have a snack or something. My dream, if Damian's dream, wanna have a warung in Sanur, warung kopi in Sanur. But my dream, I wanna have one small warung kopi here and then facing the beautiful waterfall. Let's say I wanna open a small warung here. Would you like to come to visit me to my hometown in Tabanan, guys, and maybe say hello to my family in Tabanan? Okay guys, so all the lands here, starting from the top there until go down there until the waterfall, belongs to my dad. He also wants to give it for me for the future later on. So because this land that is not productive anymore, he keeps saying that one day I want you to live here and look after me when I'm already retired. My future planning is that I just want to have something so everybody can come and enjoy the natural beauty, the waterfall. Okay, now let's go to the river over there. And yeah, this land is not very productive anymore.
All right, it's a beautiful place of Winnie's heritage, I could say. But it's very hot also. Check this out, my face. How do you feel hot?
Yes, okay.
And well, land doesn't look maybe very beautiful right now because it's just simply not productive anymore, as Winnie said. But waterfall is actually pretty beautiful, I could say. Who knows, maybe one day, Winnie, we are together gonna make something like a warung here. Maybe the monkeys' first warung will be actually here. You never know. So the second will be in Sanur. So maybe Winnie's dream gonna come faster than mine. Well, obviously, this is your Papa land, right? I have to rent in Sanur. Actually, you have to rent in Sanur anyway, because I cannot own this. As we make videos before, maybe here will be the monkey warung, overlooking the waterfall somewhere. So if so, it's not gonna happen. Let me know, guys. Let know, Winnie, if you would like to visit
Would you
our
like to
place.
come here, visit here, maybe have a coffee in our warung and enjoy the beauty, the nature beauty here?
If so, what food you gonna sell here?
Coffee.
And then
Indonesian food.
so
Authentic Indonesian
we're gonna make
food.
a makan cantik here also. Okay, let's explore a little bit area what you can do, because this is not only waterfall, there's actually a river, and the holy spring is also very close by, so everything belongs to the one place. This land is like 10 minutes from just Tabanan center on the way to Jatiluwih, and 30 minutes from the Tanahlot into direction of Jatiluwih. On the way is not very remote area as maybe it looks like. It's actually kind of close to the city, and Winnie's father is behind us, but he's a little bit shy today, so yeah, that's how it is.
He's shy in the camera, so maybe he didn't talk too much.
By the way, check this out, how I'm sweating. The water is coming from my hair like I was swimming in the waterfall. It's really hot, guys. Winnie's papa is here, and check this out, who arrived? Mama arrived. Come here, lah. As I said, my mama-in-law is very nice. She brings me Coca-Cola today, especially. Check this out, how I'm sweating so much. How are you, Mama? Apa kabar? All good?
Good.
Bagus, yeah?
Yeah. My mama speak more, but my dad He is
Little bit
shy.
shy, but maybe next time. Maybe next time. Okay, thank you so much. Terima kasih sukses Mga Bali. Yeah.
So now we will go down. So that's my mom, my dad, and Damian, my husband. So we will go down. We will pass the temple. This is the village temple. So we will pass the bridge. Can you see over there, the blue bridge? And we will explore what you guys can do if you come visit me in my kampung. Okay guys, so this is the village temple. Inside also you can do the water blessing. I will show you. This is actually just next to my dad's land. And here is the river. We will go over there. And also there you can do water blessing.
There is little bridge also. I hope so. Your papa not gonna jump, yeah?
No!
Temple, yeah? Yeah, we're going there. So there at the front, maybe you can see there is the waterfall where we were. This is the river. Down is the cave, by the way. And here is the holy spring.
Yeah, so this is the holy spring and holy pools. Actually, you can jump and you can have a water blessing. It's actually coming from under the ground. It's just like whenever you go to the Tirta pool, basically the same like that. It's coming from under the ground.
Just is very small and very private, I could say, because this area is totally non-tourist place. Yes, Sayang?
Yeah. Okay, guys. Can you see over there? There is a cave there inside. My dad's explaining to me. Inside that cave, there is the Buddha statue. And then it was coming from, I think, in the area of Dutch colonial. So that is the historical place that is still left in my village. But you cannot go there and see. Only the priests can go there with the special ladder, with the special ceremony. So after we were there in the place for the water blessing ceremony, now we will have a jungle trekking. We will walk in the bamboo forest. Around here will be bamboo forest. And I think that another waterfall, yeah, honey, yeah?
Little waterfall, by the way. The river, all the time you walk next to the river. Zwini father is at the front. So it's very still, very, very natural place.
So fresh. So this water also coming from under the ground. Look, this one, beautiful nature. So yeah, this is the water pool. You know, the water is so fresh. And the land over there, that is my uncle's land. And also the rivers belongs to my uncle. So this is just like the family complex, like family owned lands.
Family jungle trekking, and we are going actually more and more deep inside the jungle, guys. It was rainy, so it's a little bit slippery, but it's actually very, very fresh and nice. Oh, let's see. Check this out, like a jungle.
So it's very nature, and you see this is not touristic yet, and you can see the real jungle, the Bali jungle here. So nice, and the bamboo forest. Okay guys, so if you come here to Tabanan, to my village, you can see sightseeing the waterfall over there, and then you can do water blessing ceremony next to the the temple. And also you can do a jungle trekking towards the bamboo forest, tropical forest.
Of course, this is all just planning, and I hope so. We can do it. She can do it. However, one thing also I would like to notice, just straightforward, as there will be always free entrance to this place, because this is obviously belongs to you, and you're not gonna make any tickets, right? But it will be nice if you're gonna go and buy a coffee with us or something like that, right?
And one thing is that, like my uncles, my cousins, all of, my families who used to work in the tourism industry, nowadays they are actually home because they lost their job. So my planning is that I want to empower them, and then use the land so it can bring a positive impact to the economy.
It's very good to mention, as a lot of land around, like this forest around, especially closer to the waterfall, belongs to your family still. So there will be probably never any hotels here or something, because as I know, as you told me, they don't want to sell the land. They always keep it this as the heritage, right? From the grandparents and stuff like this. So
yeah. So we never sell the land, but our idea is that we want to, you know, like empower the people surroundings, the villagers, and also, yeah, to invite you guys to enjoy the real beauty of Bali. Still, it's not like in Ubud yet.
yeah, exactly. All right, guys, as the conclusion, whatever we're gonna make here, Winnie gonna make here, or Winnie's family, we're gonna keep it as natural as possible. However, it would be nice to make something nice, like we visited few places already around, but without any huge developments. That's for sure, right?
Yeah, my family dream is just like we want to keep as natural as possible, but you can still, you know, come and enjoy. That's all our video today from my kampung in Tabanan. Thanks for watching. Please comment here, guys, if you would like to come and visit me in my kampung. Maybe in the future when everything, the tourism already open, you can have a coffee later on. Okay guys, I think that's all our video today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.